this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with your Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use Apple Pay directly from your Apple Watch. This allows you to make in-store contactless payments, and you will be able to attribute any payment method like a credit card or a debit card to your watch that is going to be used for the payment. So I'm going to showcase how to do this in the Ultra 2, but keep in mind that this process and these steps are going to be the same across all models of Apple Watch. So all that you have to do is open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. So go into the Apple Watch application and inside scroll all the way down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where you will be setting up the payment methods. So under My Watch, you will find Wallet and Apple Pay. In here, it is going to be either enabled or disabled. If you have used Apple Pay previously, then it should be on by default. And with this done, you can now add a card. So choose the option to add card and go through all of the verification steps. If you have a card attributed to your Apple Wallet, it is going to show up here, which means that you can now use it within your Apple Watch. So all of these cards will be usable on any model of Apple Watch that you have to issue payments. So once you have a specific card that you would like to use for payments here, then you can now go over to your watch and double press the side button. So double press the side button and this will bring up all of the payment methods that you have registered. In here, scroll up and down through the list to find a specific card that you will be using for this purchase. Once it is in the middle of the screen highlighted like this, it means that this card will be used to make that purchase. And now, as the top of the page suggests, you simply hold this near the card reader like this, facing downwards. Once you hold it closely, if the payment method is valid, properly selected, it will go through, you will hear a beep, and the payment will be issued. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Watch Ultra 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.